If you think removing Copilot gets rid of all the AI features, you're 100% wrong. There are actually 4 different ways to remove or disable AI features, and I'm going to show you all of them in this video. Plus, the second last method is something almost nobody will tell you about. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, open Settings. In Settings, click Apps from the left side. Then go to Installed Apps. Now search for Microsoft Copilot at the top. If you see it, click the 3-dot menu next to it. Click Uninstall. Then click Uninstall again to confirm. Method 2, turn off File Explorer AI Actions. Go back to Settings, then open Apps again. Now click Actions. Turn off all the AI Actions toggles. Method 3, turn off Recall. Go back to Settings, then open Privacy and Security. Select Recall and Snapshots, then turn off the Recall toggle. This feature is only available on Copilot Plus PCs, so if you see it on your device, make sure to follow this step. Method 4, disable Windows Search AI Suggestions. Now press Windows plus S. Search for Registry Editor, then open it. Next, right-click the Explorer folder, go to New, and select DWORD 32-bit value. Name it Disable Search Box Suggestions. Double-click Disable Search Box Suggestions. Set the value data to 1. Click OK. Now restart your PC. Still having a problem? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.